If you are an Amazfit watch user, then you should know that official Google Maps app is not available for any Amazfit watches. So sadly, that means you can't use official Google Maps app for any Amazfit watches. But don't worry guys, there is a workaround, there is another way. And here, in this video, I will tell you how to use Google Maps services on any Amazfit watches. Yes, using this method, you can use most of the Google Maps services on your Amazfit watch. So without any further delay, let's jump to the video. Friends, to use Google Maps on your Amazfit watch, first you have to download Wrist Nav app on your smartphone. Go to Play Store and download Wrist Nav app on your smartphone. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. And after that, agree to their services and later come back to your Amazfit watch. And later again you have to download Wrist Nav app on your smartwatch. And for that, open official Zepp app. In the Zepp app, now go to devices and then App Store. In the app section, you have to search for Wrist Nav app. Yes, now download it successfully on your smartwatch and agree to their terms and conditions. Now, finally, you can use Google Maps services on your Amazfit watch. After successful permission and successful connection, it will give you access to this app. So now click on Wrist Nav app, and here you can start it for navigation. Here you can see after successful connection, it is showing me the direction. It is showing me navigation. Just note that friends, it is not a free app. You have to buy monthly or annual plan. For free trial, they also give you 7 hours of free trial that you can also take. And after that, you can decide whether you want to buy it or just want to give it a try. So basically, what this app does is it connects this app with Google Maps app. When you start navigation on Google Maps, then after that it will show that direction on your smartwatch. It's just a simple app. You can do anything. Right? Here. It is only connecting it to Google Maps, and after that it is showing live location, live turn-by-turn location, which is actually a good thing. But beside that, it doesn't give you any other options. It will only show navigation from Google Maps to this smartwatch. So it's a simple app. So if you want to give it a try, then you can buy its subscription. Now this is the only option for Amazfit watch. It is simple, but it's working. So now you decide whether you want to buy it or just avoid it. I hope you understand everything in this video. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.